Welcome friends. In this video I will do technical analysis of Wink token, and I will definitely going to tell you my next long duration, my next medium duration and my next immediate short term targets for this token. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel, join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description. Here you can see this is the coin market Wink page, and it is currently trading at 0.0002245 and it decreased 3.08% in 24 hours. This is the 24-hour low price, this is the 24-hour high price, and this is the Wink website. Once you click on this will lead you to this page, and this is the website of Wink. You have to visit. This is actually a gaming platform. You can visit this website and you can also study this token. And if you want to buy and if you want to invest in this token, then you have to buy at your own risk or invest at your own risk, because this is not a financial or investment advice. I will not responsible for any of your losses. Just I am sharing my technical knowledge and information that I think may be useful to all of you for in near future. Let me please show you some statistics of this token. This is the 24-hour volume. This is the circulating supply of this token. This is the market cap of this token, and this is the price statistics of this token. 24-hour price change, 24-hour high and low prices, total trading volume, market dominance, and market rank is 333, and market cap here you can see. And this is the 24-hour low and yesterday's low and high prices, and 7-day and 30 days and 90 days low and high prices you can see there. This is the all-time high 0.0004717 and it decreased 52%. Here you can see, and it was 2 years ago, and all-time low is 0.404145 and it gives 442% gain to its users. And what is this token and where you can find this token and where you can invest in this token? Binance, HBTC, HitBTC, DigiFinex, Dcoin. These are the exchanges where you can get this token, and if you want to trade this token on Binance, just go to in this video's description where you can get the link of Binance exchange. Just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. And if you want to get $600 bonus after depositing these amounts, then click on this link of Bybit and create your account within 30 seconds, and after depositing these amounts you can get $600 bonus absolutely free. Let's focus to the content. And what is the Wink? Wink is a gaming platform for users to play, socialize and stake across multiple blockchain ecosystems that leverage the Wink tokens as the native digital assets within the platform. Through behavioral mining, innovative token economy design and other incentive mechanism, Wink aims to build an ecosystem that provides a high quality decentralized gaming experience to enable developers to build the apps that drive genius adoption and engage users to participate and contribute as active stakeholders in the platform. And now what is the Wink token? Wink token is a TRC utility token built on Tron blockchain. This is the part of the Tron blockchain. That is why I am very sure this token will give you maximum gain. Within the Wink platform, Wink is the token used to incentivize active participation from key stakeholders, developers and the users. The following is the non-executive list of the tokens course use access. You can read at your in detail once you visit this page. Let me please show you the chart of this token. This is the Wink 4-hour Binance chart. It is currently trading at 0.0004462 and it decreasing. Now let me please tell you my immediate short-term target. Currently it is in this falling channel, or you can say descending channel. And descending channel actually is a very it's a bullish pattern, and once it breaks, then definitely it will give you the gain. Let me please show you my immediate short-term target. Once Wink break this down upside trend line of 0.00021794, then it will give you, then our next target is 0.00030453. Maybe we down to this zone and will hit 0.00017098, and after that we may see a pullback of the price, and after that maybe it will hit this zone. These are the two targets, 0.0030 and 0.0032 is our immediate short-term targets. Once we broke this zone, then let me please tell you my next targets. Please stay in the video, friends. I will tell you my medium and long duration target for this token, because this token is very profitable, I think, in near future, and you have to focus on this token. This is our next target, 0.00047987 is our next target. These are two targets right now, 0.0003 0.000325 and 0.000479. These are our targets, immediate short-term targets. And let me please tell you my long duration targets there, and I have to show the lowest price and some support zone and resistance zone of these tokens. So please stay in the video and let me please arrange this chart. Friends, keep spotting me, and please like this video. This is the all-time high of Binance in Binance chart. It is at 0.00095108, and it is all-time low is at 0.00003728, all-time low. I think it is very best time to buy this token right now, because it is very it is in that zone. After breaking this horizontal zone, definitely it will go up, and I think will give you maximum gain. That is why I am asking you to buy or hold from that zone, and this zone is that. You have to buy this from that zone, and at current running price, and you have to put your stop loss at, let me please tell you, you have to put your stop loss at that zone, I think so. Zero point triple zero double 11354. You have to put your stop loss at that zone, or maybe you have to put your stop loss at that zone. 0.00010997. This will the risk is 51%, and maybe this is a long stop loss, and but this is a very strong stop loss. That is why I'm sure that you have to put this stop loss. And if you want to up this stop loss, then let me please tell you, this is the zone. Okay, this is the zone 0.00014217. It is the risk of 37%, and once you join this zone, and this will give you, let me please tell you some immediate short-term, medium duration targets. Please, friends, stay in the video. Our first target will give us, give you the Fibonacci level of 0.38 will give you 70% gain, and risk is just 37% if you hold or buy from the current price right now, and you hold this and put your stop loss at 0.00014217. Risk will be 37% after hitting our first target, Fibonacci level 0.38, and the price level is 0.00038553, and will give you 70% gain. Let me please tell you my next target. The target of 6 months, I think definitely it have to hit this zone. Within 6 months, I think this token have to hit this zone, and will have to give you 318% within 6 months. And let me please tell you long duration target of this token. Please stay in the video. I think in 1 year it have to hit this zone and will have to give you 100% profit, and risk is just 37%. Within 1 year, I think it have to hit this Fibonacci level, and will hit 0.00038 within 1 year, and will have to give you, and it should give you 1600% profit within 1 year. This is the target of 1 year. In 6 months, it will give you 300 to 500% profit, I think so. And if you buy this token from current running price, and if you hold this token for 1 year, definitely it will give you this profit, and it is 1600% profit. And let me please tell you, if you hold this token for 2 years or 3 years, then our next target will be this zone. Friend, this is my long duration target, or you can say very long duration target. It is the target of 2 years to 4 years. I think this token must have to hit $0.01 price level, and will have to give you 4,300% gain within 2 years or 4 years. This is the target of 2 years to 4 years. Within 4 years, I think it should have to hit 0.01 and should have to give you 4,300% profit within 2 years, or maybe 4 years. 2 to 4 years, this is my target. This token is in my portfolio. I buy this token at current running price, and I am waiting. I hold this token for the long duration. I buy this token for the long perspective and long duration perspective, and I hold this token for very long duration, like 4 years, maybe 5 years. Then definitely it will give you maximum gain, because this is very good token, and it is in Tron blockchain, and network is very strong, and that is why this token will give you maximum gain. And if you want to purchase this token on Binance Exchange, then please go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section, where you can get the link of Binance Exchange. Just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. Thanks for the watching. Please keep supporting me, and please like this video.